Hello everyone. Are you wondering what transfeminine means? Let's explore. Transfeminine refers to a person who was assigned male at birth but identifies more with femininity. This term encompasses a wide range of identities and experiences, including those of transgender women and non-binary individuals who lean towards a feminine gender expression. Transfeminine individuals may choose to transition in various ways, whether socially, medically, or both, to align their external appearance with their gender identity. The term highlights the connection to femininity while recognizing that gender identity is not confined to a binary understanding. In essence, being transfeminine is about embracing femininity as a core part of one's gender identity, regardless of the sex assigned at birth. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.